Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can start with a private session in Spotify desktop version. So if you don't want to disturb, if you don't want to leave trace, leave activity, and your followers cannot see your activity in Spotify, you can start with the private session. So you can click three dot in the top left of your corner. Here you can click on file and then go with the private session, but you want to begin with the private session when you start your Spotify, so you can do it. Let's try to click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and click settings. Here you can scroll down and try to find social option. Under social option, here we go. This is a start a private session. There's a question mark. Temporarily hide your activity from your followers. Private session will automatically end after 6 hours. You have to pay attention about this, or when you restart your Spotify. Let's turn this on. So whenever you start open the Spotify, Spotify will start with private session. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Click this button below. See you in the next video.